Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial video of Voltex Finance, and today we are going to talk about the third product, which is Vlend. I hope you have went through the V prediction and V swap tutorial videos. So in this section we are going to cover the Vlend. For this you have to press the Vlend button, and as you can see we have received a wallet disconnected pop-up message. Whenever you see this message, you just have to make sure that you go and connect your wallet. It's very easy. You can connect whichever wallet which you want and which you use. For now, we are going to use Trust Wallet. As you can see in the Vlend, it's a terminal where you can see and check how much net worth you have currently. And using that net worth, you can use to borrow or supply your token. Let me make it more clear to you. It's a market. If you have any extra token, here you can supply that and earn APY on it. For example, as you can see, in the USDC, if you have USDC tokens, all you need to do is press the supply button. And before that, you can check which APY suits you the best. For example, this token gives you 4.16% return every single year. You can check and supply your token wherever you want. And the most beautiful thing about Vlend that it has more than 3 protocols. For example, as you can see, Aave, Morpho and Venus. And especially the chains from Ethereum to Arbitrum to Base to Polygon. You have all the option here. You can even shortlist from high APY to the lower APY. For now, let's select USDC. If you press supply, you will earn interest. For now, it's not supported in the platform because we are currently in the BNB chain. So let's go with USDC. If I press 1, for example, and I press supply USDC on Morpho, as you can see, it transported us to the verification page. Again, one more confirmation. And we are waiting for it to confirm. As you can see, it's failed. But don't worry, whenever a transaction gets failed, it reverted back to your wallet. I'll show you what just happened. See, you can just press the refresh button and you can see that there is no loss of tokens. That's the best thing. If the supply gets cancelled, your token will be reverted back to your wallet. You don't need to worry about it. So let's move forward and select any chain which we want. For example, I am selecting BNB chain on all protocols. As you can see, I can supply my BNB on Venus. Or you can press the max button if you want and supply your BNB. Press the confirm button. See, you can see our supply is confirmed and also our portfolio is updated. And if I go to the portfolio button, can see our positions. I have supplied nearly $6.11 to Venus, and in the real time you can see the health factor, how my portfolio is performing. It's in the safe mode, as you can see. And now, as you can see, the whole portfolio is in front of the portfolio screen. You can drag, you can see, and even you can supply to another token if you want. If you want to earn more money, you can supply as much as extra tokens you want. For example, now I'll show you how to withdraw. So I'm gonna withdraw whatever I have supplied. Now I'm going to get back all the tokens which I given to the platform. As you can see, my portfolio is updating. And it's done. My portfolio is updated. And if I refresh it, you can see I have got my money back. So that's how easy it is. And in the meantime, if you want to borrow money, you can even borrow the money from the chain exactly as you supplied. You just have to press the borrow button and select your protocol. I'll press the next button. As you can see, I have borrowed some of the BNB tokens, and now I have to pay 0.89% of interest every year for the token which I get. Now, when I go back to my portfolio, scroll down, you can see that I have borrowed some tokens successfully. So that's how it works. I hope it's all clear to you. And the good news is that as the Venus, Morpho and Aave, we have 3 protocols. One more indigenous native protocol by Voltex is coming. You don't need to worry to invest in any other platforms because Voltex is going to come with their own native protocol. In the coming days, you can see the 4th category here as Vlend. This is going to be another pool where you can get some liquidity from. I hope the video is very clear to you. And if you have any other questions, you can ask in the community or you can connect. As I mentioned, all the transactions are very visible and recorded in the history as well. As you saw that we have borrowed some BNB token on the BNB chain and it has come under our activity records. Thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you on another